going to go over to text, title, edit text, backspace and take it out, make it black. We're going to make it bold so it stands out a little better. We're going to put on there, what did we put down? Okay, all training on this page is free. We're going to make this bigger because it doesn't show up very big. So we're going to make this red. Come over here. Okay. Make our page a little bit bigger. Let's go back and look at it as an example. Okay, got a few more things to do and we're almost done. Go over here, capture our image. Boom. Image. Another arrow picture. Come down here. Come back here. Let's look at our website. Oh yeah, that's right. We got one more button here. Go back to the plus sign. Come down to where it says buttons. Go to large button. We're going to change. Instead of my button, it's going to say step 1. Okay. Keep kind of forgetting. And my dog. Don't pay no attention to my dog. Anyway, we're going to go down to where it says gallery. No, that's not it. I forgot where it's at. Not there. Okay, there we go. Go to images, go to clip art. See this? We're going to change that. Well, whoops. Change clip art. No. Settings. Change clip art. We're going to hit the flash, and we're going to do this. And all I'm doing here by doing this is pointing an arrow towards step 1. All training of this page is free. Now, we're going to go over to change image. Notice what I did there? I make sure it shows on all pages. That way you can drag it right down here. And okay. Now, we have our basic one-page website. Let's see, make sure we don't forget anything. Oh yes, almost forgot. Come over here. Where's it at? I think it's there. There. Buy now button. Now, you have to put your information in here, the price, item name, and so on into there, and it will make your buy now button. You can kind of see what I'm doing. And the only reason I am putting this picture in here is so that way when someone comes to your, that they understand that this buy now button is PayPal. That's the only reason I'm doing that. Otherwise, people may come to your website and they may go, what is the buy now button? Okay, so, and I'm going to go into a video later on of how to make this buy now button, but the whole thing is for you to have basically built this one-page website. Now, as you play with this, you're going to manipulate things and change things up a little bit so you clean it up. But I'm going to hit the preview button here and kind of show you what this looks like. See, it's auto playing right there. We're not going to listen to the video, but you kind of see. Okay, now, I did see how I can basically go to preview and go back to the editor. I did forget one thing that we need to do. We need to create a link and to the websites. So we're going to go over here and we're going to put in a web address. And that is going to we're going to go to our information page, which is right here. And we're going to go over to the editor and we're going to paste this into there. Okay? Now, that button will go over to this page. By doing this, you don't have to make all these pages. You don't have to make training pages. You don't have to make any of this stuff. All your main goal is to build this one page. Next step is we're going to put a link in here. It's going to be to a website. We're going to go to the welcome page, which will be right here. Okay, and grab this URL. Well, I'm going to say is on the welcome page, I'm going to put all these links so that way you don't have to kind of guess. Again, we're going to post it and paste it into this here. Now, when we hit preview, guess what? We hit that, and it goes right over to your page. Okay? And we do not need... For some reason, I got something going on in the background here.
Hello, my name is Arson Brown, and
we don't need
it real. And when I say that, no BS, no hype.
Anyway, now that all your buttons are working, you hit the preview button. Your video plays. You can hit this buy now button. It'll take you over to PayPal. Of course, we haven't set up a PayPal button. I mean, all the information in there. That's fine. But here's, and like I said, I'm going to do a video on the buy now button and what you need to do with that. But what I wanted you to do is to be able to go through this and get this basic website up and running. This is what you're going to direct all your people to. All your prospects, all your potential customers, all of them go to this website. Now, I think I've pretty much covered everything. And once again, I'm taking you back to the welcome page. These videos are going to be real good reference to how you can manipulate this to end up with this page. Now, I've shown you in a video, step by step. It is a little bit quick on what you do, but what I'm trying to tell you and trying to show you is that everything on this page is totally manipulatable. And here's the thing. After you have learned Wix and how to use it to your advantage, you're going to be able to make your own websites, your own landing pages, and drive traffic to your own landing pages. So this is an example, but it's usable. Okay, and what you have learned today is how to take this information and quickly get a page up and running. So in a matter of a couple hours of running through all this information, you have a landing page. Now, I'm going to point out that there are landing page websites, but that you can build your own landing page, and that's fine if you want to use that, but those services usually cost money. And my whole idea of doing what I'm doing is to get you to realize this is a free method, and those you sign up is a free method, so your cost is $25. And I wanted to keep it at $25 because there are a lot of people out there. When you start talking, getting closer to $50, or you got to buy tools, or you got to do this and that, they're not gonna like that idea. So this allows you to. We can keep our cost at $25. This allows you to use free tools, free methods that allow you to take this one-page landing page and use this whole system. Okay, which now you hit that button and it goes over to the information page right here, and you're going to go down and you're going to be able to read this. I mean, you don't have to make all this. You're just using that information button. Okay. Same thing with the quick start guide. You don't have to build this. You're just using a link. And I'm going to show you the members area as well. Okay, and now you also have access to all of the training in the back office. You don't have to build that. Now, of course, this website is a password protected website. So that means a person has to be approved by me to get in. Me, and really, I am on the honor system here. That means if a sponsor emails me and says, "Hey, let them in the back office," I'm going to let them in. Because the truth is, I want this as simple as possible to where you don't have any out-of-pocket cost. So you have access to all the training and all your sign-ups and prospects and customers that you sign up have access to the training as well. So what we have learned today is that you are building this one-page website. That is your work. That is your assignment, and that is what you need to do today to get your business up and running. Then you're going to come back to the training site and you're going to start digging in. And see, by making the website first, you're not complicating your mind with all the training. But now you have your website made. You have this website built. Okay? Now you have everything that you need to take the training, and now you apply it to Craigslist. You drive all your traffic to the Craigslist, and you have a viable business that you could pass on to somebody else. They have the resale rights to sell the same program. The idea is this. I have given you $25 worth of value of information, and I want your sign-ups to have $25 worth of value in information. So that is really all I have to say today, other than if you have any questions, on the welcome site there's a contact button. You can contact me and email me. And actually at the bottom is my phone number as well. Now, I really want to make sure that you understand this. If you have gone through all of the Wix training and you have gone through the videos, write down your questions and then email them to me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But please go through all the videos, all the information before you ask me the questions. So that way we're not going off on rabbit trails. After you've built your website, you should receive a link from your sponsor to the training site, and then you'll have an approval to get in. And you're going to set up you're going to put your email address in and create a password. Okay, that's really about all I have to say today. I've gone on a little longer than I want to, but I wanted to make sure that I did this in great detail so that you understand of what's needed to make your website, to get into the back office of as far as the training goes, and start making money today. Okay, so that's it. Other than that, this is Artisan Brown trying to keep it real, and you have a good day.